everyone, welcome to my platform. My name is Effie and you have arrived on my page or my channel, which is You Shine, I Shine. Now I'm an inspirational speaker, a youth mentor, a presenter, an entertainer, an all-round thought leader and also a coach. And I've decided to create a show for all of you called Generation Shine, because I want all of you to shine. And you've also requested it actually, because so many of you have come to me, all my young people and students and some adults too, have come to me to start creating videos so you can start having really good mental health, great well-being, and knowing those tips and tricks to make sure that you stay positive and happy and full of sunshine. So thank you for coming to this page. I'm going to be putting up videos every single Thursday at 4, so every single Thursday at 4, so make sure that you join me so you can be full of life and full of energy, and also follow me on all my other platforms as well, because I'll be delivering lots of good ideas and content for you. So thank you. This is Effie, this is You Shine, I Shine, and let's stay happy, full of life, and make sure that we spread our light and spread our shine to everyone everywhere. Yeah.